Not a rat, the rat.
The rat.
There you go.
Hence, there's only one rat that tiptoes. It also is
There
a race
can be
car
only
driver.
one.
Only one, like Highlander.
It comes to.
Yep.
Who asked you?
He's Tiptoe the rat.
Tiptoe the rat. .com/.
All right.
You're on candid camera
Yeah.
now.
What? What? You?
Yes.
Okay. Not at all. You want to get the two of us?
Yeah, both of you guys.
There we go.
Thank you guys. We love you guys. Thank you guys. Appreciate it.
So Cooper.
Yes.
Do you feel intimidated by the racing rat?
No.
No.
No, because I'm a cat. Rats are nothing to me. They're not intimidating at all. No matter how tall they are. What was that? What? I'm not short. I am of average height.
Yeah.
Ladies, let's all calm down. Yeah, we're all reasonable adults here. Let's just.
Who are you talking to?
I think him, everyone. I don't know.
He just said he wanted a free wrestling lesson. I was going to offer to give it to him.
Oh.
I was being gentlemanly about
See,
it.
there we go.
Let's prepare the white barbecue right away.
What?
Let's prepare the white barbecue right away. I can point you out to every weak spots on Tiptoe. You know that in 10 minutes he's going to.
The guy's been trying to eat me for how many years now? I should just let him and get it over with.
I don't know what he's talking about anymore.
I don't think he does either.